Hi there, Brian here from quantlabs.net. I wanted to show you the first full demo of this custom expert advisor that was built a few weeks ago. This is the concerns of the Quant Analytics service. I've talked about how to set it up with Microsoft Outlook and a custom add-in that you can buy online called Message Export, combined with another script that I'm running in the background here. It's a Python script that you can get on GitHub and then use it in conjunction with my Quant Analytics service, which will send out email signals I've talked about in other videos as well. So now we're going to focus on the testing so far. These are just testing signals. These are not really in real market conditions for profit. It's just a test if the expert advisor will initially send out orders of some kind. In a demo account, I've shown you how to configure the basics of Metatrader 4 using Oanda right here. So this is a dummy account. And we have here the version of my custom EA, and then we have our auto trade that needs to be turned on. You can double click this guy to activate it once it's put into your folder in the data, open data folder, and then you come under MQL4, come under experts, and then you'll find the EX4 extension for the custom expert advisor, or EA. So now we have a couple of things to look at. First, let me try to explain what this expert advisor does. So when you start up the expert advisor, you'll be presented a bunch of usual settings that are really not used in this EA. It may evolve over into uses of what's in the panels. In here you will notice that it will look for a file called signal.csv. If you're a Quant Elite member of mine, I've put up the spec, the format of that CSV, and that's generated via first the Outlook getting the email, the add-in to create that add-in, convert it to text, and then running in the background as well, you need the Python script, which will then watch in the folder and then create from that file, in this format here, the levels, the Fibonacci levels of the closing price, level 500, 618, 786, 1000. And in there it will create, once it captures everything it needs, converts it to that signal CSV that the EA is looking for to test to see if there are the market conditions on the closing price on the Fibonacci levels are worth taking a position on. So in this case, I've gone through all the available currency pairs to see if there is a chance at that time. I have a script I just wrote that will send over a email with the current latest price of whatever pair I want to send over with the latest Fibonacci levels I just told you about. So in here you'll see I've tested Euro USD in this log. I've tested a variety of different currencies pairs. So we started with, for instance, it's looking for that CSV right here, Euro USD, USD Japanese yen. In there, it will look for if there is an order that can be placed based upon the logic that the coding of this EA. So I'm just going to look for a potential order of one of the pairs, and I'll show you what it looks like in the log. Let's see. You will see an option in here for the order, if I could find it, right here. Okay, so we have here an order put in. Again, this is not a real signal, it's just testing. US Japan yen. So the orders are always market buys. USD Japan yen. The order was put in. It was accepted. So there's this order generated. And then it will put that order in. So then what you can do is if you come under Trade tab, you can see here one of the orders that was accepted was right here. Take profit at that level. Price. So the price was at 108.205. Take profit was at 108.300. No commission, so it had a little loss there. Another order was put in again of the USD Japanese yen. The take profit was at 108.300, and again the stop loss at 107.013. Price was at 108.202, and then the price was at 108.203. Had a profit, it looks like, of 9 cents. Now these are very small quantities. And then exposure, you can see here what's in US dollars. That's what's available in the US account, 95.79. Then it bought a very small amount of 300.01 equivalent of yen in US dollar, and a small little bit of British pounds as well here. So from there, if you look at the account history, you'll see some financial charges, it looks like. There was an initial price here, the balance, 10,000. There was a first trade I think I did yesterday with a big loss of 38. And then these two other positions that came in, the financing with a profit, which were both negative of 11 and 7 cents. And another one of the USD Japanese yen of 56 cents loss. So it seems to work. So let's look at the charts. So we'll look at, let's see here, USD Japanese yen. I believe that's what was traded here. USD Japanese yen was accepted as a trade. So this is what it will look like here. The number 22542137, I believe, with a stop loss here in red. That's the order number. Here we bought, we set our take profit, and I believe these are the orders. So let's take profit. We bought at here in green, the green dash line, and then the stop loss was here in the blue. In the red dash. So that's what you could expect from the visualization. That's the only trade that's been accepted so far. So that's pretty well it. So as it stands, that's what you can expect once the orders are accepted in the market conditions. And just wanted to show you what you can expect out of this EA. Again, this is using Metatrader 4. The data from the signal emails are from OAND as well. If you intend to do this, I would strongly recommend that you do your orders as well using OAND as the broker. So that's how it stands so far, and we shall leave it at that. But here, I also forgot to mention here in the chart, we have 3 orders. First order, we had a nice profit a minimal again, where we had 573 as profit, and 2 other trades that were losses at down 60 cents and 37 cents. So we had an overall profit of 476. You win, you lose, and that's under the trade tab here. So that's how it stands right now. I'm sure this will be evolve. It will evolve over time. But just want to give you what you can expect in this EA. Have a good day. Talk to you later.